Now that call we enter this phone. No. Call you while no was one check. We are back again. We are back again. Father, we are here again. Holy Ghost, come and take control. We want to talk to useless, frustrated, low life, old cargo. Oh, kapwepwe. Oh, lemulos. Lemulili lo. The long bada breasts old mammies then that have nothing to show for their 50 years of age. Must see you right there. I don't come. I first sing for my better lovers with day. A pretty glory sees you. The one where I tell you for the other one who ye vieyo. Nou we benele le ranvi richian me ma vieyo. The one where I tell you for that side, now you they come pray for you now say, oh Monica, my life is perfect. They go now you fair comment, not be me fair talk to you. I don't notice you until you comment rubbish. Okay, is this one okay now? I don't use iPhone. I still that one I use. I just off my own because now calling I ain't. My lady, today is Sunday. No, that's why I want to do this one first before Bible study. Let me do this one first to the old cargoes where they go for Nigeria. All those one where they go do kickball for Nigeria. They not they see anything do for here now. People husband. No, say if they do people husband hide, secret. That man go say, oh, my wife is home. I cannot come. My wife is home. When they are people go they bring water. He go say, the man, where are you now? The man say, my wife is no. He say I should watch the children. So if they reach Nigeria, they go they open her. Conductor, go. Area boy, bah. Native daughter, go. Be. Old boyfriend, bah. Now that they open her for. Oloshi. How come you have to give up the day? Your hatred is as useless as your life. Your hatred does not give nothing. Old cargoes. May I play better music for my real lovers? Take it. Oh, let him. Scatter the beats. Oh, let him. Monica, scatter the table. Dao, na, make me aware. Dao, na, make me aware. Dao, na, make me aware. Right there, right there, here. Oh. Hello? Okay, correct.
Yeah. It's like it went out before. I was just talking. I can't get anything anymore. When I checked it, you were out already.
Yeah. I'm back again now.
God bless you. Yeah, what I said is that I can still repeat what I said before. I said all of them that is writing Monica, you are not ashamed of yourself. You are not ashamed of yourself. Is there and their husband ashamed of themselves? It's a question. You people don't like this woman. Everywhere you condemn this woman. How am I going to stay in your husband penis not the work? A complete man like that.
Not their master.
When I stand, if you sit down, that kind of penis not the work. Now this nonsense when they talk for man, how about they react yesterday? All this mockery. They react. They will carry a picking. They will put a John another man. Make it not talk. I don't have to say Monica cannot be human being. And another thing, our people will say that they support her. Make with the use sense. This girl, not person. Now he been a blood when they walk for her body. And they walk. They want to finish. The truth is, because someone will say that's why they want my sport. I don't say if anybody they help good. And if anybody stick on one say they don't want fight, they don't want help again, God will raise the host of angels to fight the battle. Because this woman has a place that she's going. All this that they help, that they down person, that they help the press person down. Now what happened to Jesus Christ with this? When Judas first fell out, he embraced and kissed her. The seller finished. When they take caption, not be like that. If they help this person, anger, because anger be like pregnancy. You should not pour am out in the heart. Woman when they conceive, if you never deliver, body no dey come down. That's why it be. How can the most people come out? Where we are, other for where we are. I don't know if they the most and the husband more can do.
No, they're not back.
You say any woman they will get husband, but see that kind of go rest. Una when get husband, yeah, anybody will come and tell my son my husband pennies not dey go. Can una go see? Again, make not the press and make you just pour out in mind. Anything we want, that's on Facebook don't cast, social media don't cast. Make the thing just dey go. That will not dey. You understand me? Make una leave her. Make una not the press her again. We know say she needs correction, she needs advice. In a politely way, in a cool way, it's not gonna be harsh. We want back at. Since now they take advice, we want back at, make it back at. You understand me? Any good one they do for anybody for this life, now God will do it for. Now let me move the word say people when do good for me they can't thank them. I think that much for you today. But if God want to return that time for me, go be water. The time where they tasting. And my children go reap am. What do they do today? Now generation to generation. Bad what will they do? Now generation to generation. Now seed. If you plant, it go multiply. Not you do it for go thank you. Now let me move the word where people when do good for me they thank them. That's what I tell the dogs. The spirit, wanna leave her. Because I small thing, like anytime this lady wants to talk, the dog spirit. Come, they come. Right up, but they come. You are falling on your hands, you are doing this, you are doing that. Now we're not there, shoot, I make my mom know what they pass through. Now you not be. After the back of the camera, I know what this lady they pass through. Ex-girlfriend, that ex-girlfriend go bully her. You go put it matter for people out where wrong, they go they bully her. I ain't go to take her. I beg. Let we fight the fight of justice, not injustice. Monica, always pour your heart. Pour your heart.
Well said. Thank you so much.
Please, anger, the grave issue has, apply it out so that you will not have cancer. Because when the big is bigger than the stomach.
Thank you.
Like you honey, that's for inside the stomach. Because if you burst for inside the stomach, nobody fish up the meat again. That's what we human being be. Not allow anybody because they are support or lovers or anything, including me. There are some advice I give to you. If you don't like it, go with it. If I want to back off, let me back off. I'm not your God. You understand me? Nobody is anybody's God. Now just help and anything for this life. God use you to help people, to fight justice. Blessing God, because a lot of people they are cursed to wherever they find themselves. I beg you now, I leave this woman, make they talk. They still they pour your heart. Sometimes go pour at the anger, the gravish. You understand me? I beg you, my people. Now when they fight the battle, God bless my but when I not use that kill the career, kill the destiny, make it they talk. Who want go the other camp? You need to wait if I know for this, I give them. They don't fair do a lot. Nothing happen. As soon as I get up before you don't pay anybody, you don't give any likeness. Choice, love is a choice. We our choice hold and I will follow. But when I don't use the spirit, anybody where they do good, may stay for it good. May God bless the house.
Bless you too. Where's it? Hello? Hello? It is life. Hello, my people. Okay, may I play music? Music, oh, Monica people, Jesus. Hello?
Hello, Mommy Monica, one of the universe.
A new tier.
Come on.
Thank you.
Well, we're family.
We are fine. It ain't life, oh.
Yeah, Mama. Yeah, we're life. You were. Any man, Mama. Agmona, I hear you see. When you're not you see there, again. Almost so I'm again. Any method I'm again. Oh, Agmona, name understand. Just keep doing what you are doing. We as in we your lovers. purity of cashew. Like, I just love you. People they talk say you too they talk. Me, I love her. You see people when know they talk, fear them. Oh, now those people they keep silent. But me when they talk, they come outside they talk. Everything go they go.
Well, that's why they fast them. Where's Kakabo? Kakabo, Agbonbayane.
As in ethically, I think about past 3 years now, where you have the platform you were. But since last year, you were aware, where team you were here, you know that team. As in different day. Even my dad said different day my life because I choose you. I know so you be better person, you be good head.
Thank you, my baby. Thank you, my love. Thank you. Thank you.
Then I taxi comment here and so that make people know that they talk say they
no lie. I know.
Use this one to comment what me use the one to comment what so that people for it. We not there. We not there.
Don't say we know them.
They not go fit do you anything.
No. God, Jay, thank you so much.
Russia, I'm calling from Russia, so you know that you have a lover in Russia.
Thank you.
Bye, Mama.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. May I first play music? May I can't talk to old cargos. Ave old cargos in Wiyan baby town for 3 years in Nigeria. Nigeria ya mwe e kapwepo. Dirty cassava women we not get character. Ordinary man where they use money buy for Europe, they not feel buy. The one where they use Europe men still they talk and they are very cheap. You feel use Sunday na food that they cash now that they cash them. Some money, some character, some bon picking for them, you don't cash them. No one where all these old kapue old cargo fit cash. The one of money they not fit because in yene erogo, ere bank, ere webo, ere Nigeria. You see them for Nigeria. Oh shogo, oh golo, oh gwagagwala. Oh my God, Starly, the Gwaji Abima Minuhima. You make Gwalekenianari movie where you manare cause come on for year. We what useless Ogbelekeman. Ogbelekeman, we no know itself. Will you come on for this my platform? I will pay you, or can do go. Okay, now since we can control where. Nou gege comment yeke na mana tie we u gbo bi wa wo kan won. Okay. See them now. Me and they talk, me and not my commenters. They non bath the year ones. No worry, I'll put you for bottle. Your wife not go see you again. I'll put you for bottle for 10 years. Now many Europe men are 3 for 10 euro. Wow, ma. Yet, old cargos no see. They no see as cheap as it is. So, if giving them paper, you don't carry them. So you go say you go give them paper, you don't get them. No one where they feel get. Jealousy won't kill them because of bad mind where they get. My people, make I play this video for una. See, this word, Mona Listio, this one are the word where I tell Precious Make for my page show, for my video yesterday, where all the old agbile we awu never yo we nukebo we ni spider web we na mamie ni uwe webo awu na the village headmaster ya awu wa now they come they share am now they come they do pa. So even Precious men when we still they greet each other e still they pain una nothing when no go pain una. I get lovers so it go pain una. I get Precious men go it go pain una. I get this one it go pain everything they pain you. At the age of 50 years, no house, no grandchildren, no pikin, nothing to show for it. I die. At the age of 50 years, oh Jesus Christ, I don't get grandchildren. Where I go show because he man bugger my wa. I don't spoil person yo. But if you don't quick you spoil person yo. Now so you go they hide they go. You must hide everything by yourself. If you get money, you must hide it. Rubbish. Idiot, rubbish woman, tenata. Don't worry, I'm coming to London to come and look for someone want to buy so that we rent one room for you there with better kitchen because your kitchen no good. No netity or bon food. Mona yeah, wait till I take pressure man because old cargoes where they social media agbile women where they abroad for 30 years they don't get permanent boyfriend. Now Nigeria every 3 years they go they do kind village people now they do them. All those men we don't know whether social media they see whether they want bring them come out. If una not they fear why una not they friend men we go fit bring una come out for social media. Now who we go go there. If you know the fear friend for abroad, show your boyfriend. Me, I have husband that will show it. I have children, I will show it. If I have grandchildren, I will show them. If you know, say you know the fear, show anything where you don't ever achieve at the age of 50 years. You cannot show it because you are wayward. You are a bad mother. Rubbish. Cause you bo hon wa mo gwela da me yo bo mu ne wa so mi we wa mo gwela de mi atita we gbe han mo gwela dia di ma mi o okay my people mo na here o educated people wey dey here mo na here it's good to go to school even if na primary school is very important.
Pressure me, you say why I want to pressure. People not to see me finish. All of them. I don't blame on now. I don't blame on that. You understand? I don't blame on why I want blame on now. After all, now so we autistic. Problem is about pressure. Searching guys. Okay? And that is where I can answer people and it go still pain like all this one goes John.
Okay. My people, now so I just talk the thing rich. I not talk and pass there. Oh, my wonderful precious Meg, you are here. I not talk and pass there. Oh. I just pressure Meg right put. Say, I don't see anything about said it wasn't that much. Where the rest not they talk. Now say, oh, okay, why pay show? Oh, I not really blame you now. Now so now see me finish. Is that insult? Is that insult? If not be Ogbopowa or Betty. Anywhere we follow pressure, man, not forget what happened for 1968 or 2 years ago. Anybody where somebody support for this social media, you are going down. Una forget. I beg go pressure make I beg you there our side. Nothing change. You do the no. Pressure make. If you find this really as an insult, I am sorry. Okay? I am sorry, my darling. And you know it's not an insult. I just explain in one word I use to express my feeling of really. Oh, I not blame you now. After all, now so we all taste that. You understand? So say now so we taste that. Jagbara. So una no one more come up for there. Now what I use and tell me be that not to insult you, my lady. Okay, all the apropos platform with the social media. Useless apropos platforms then. What did they oh you see they let me go they delete somebody else this Oyemala. Yeah, remove it. You understand me so? All this apropos platform, people like why away me, my people. I not tell now who it be. If they look you, you say they look outside. If they look outside, you say they look grand. You get the way I be. I be like, oh, me get way. And not be say, I use and take more board. That thing, they affect your medulla oblongata. You understand me so? Upon all the words where I talk. Now to go bring the one where no be insult, can't call insult. All the na go fee. I bet my people, if you they follow me, they plan for your 50 years now and see what you should show at the age of your 50 years. Okay? If you say you got land, you be mama, you be this. Or you take pen and paper. If you cannot show it at your 50 years, enter house. Enter house, make you silo your go for body. Enter house, make you they do hustling at old age in Nigeria. Enter house, make you they do village brick. Okay? Don't use yourself. Can't they compare me? Because you cannot bring me down. You too small. More than know, I they tell all of you now. There is one old group of old cargos for this social media. If he supports you, you are going down. That's why she can never support me, because me, I don't want to go down. Anytime she try to like say, oh, happy birthday to you, I will shun her. Because I know say, now happy birthday they take John the Baptist. Okay? Now happy birthday they take John the Baptist. Not be because of happy birthday now go carry snake enter us. Now go carry wish friend enter us. If wish friend and wish colleague now wish colleague, bad dead now bad dead. If he like they wish you happy birthday, show them. It go pepper them go in their avian because you don't spoil their plan. This old set of cargos where they talk so. If they say so, they support you, they'll support you with evil, they'll support you with lie, they'll support you with everything. They go bring what it up, they go chook and come. Now lie, now you that they mock. Not be me that they mock, because now me be Monica. Nobody can mock a mocker. Because God can push my pusher. It will push my pusher. All my pushers. Baba God has pushed them to gutter. Yeah, that boy. Old cargo, clang. Juice like woman, boy. After cutting women, long throat women for my matter. Imagine somebody say they go America now, so that they long throat for my matter. They long throat for my matter. The one will not be something now. They can't drunk. Come on, make sure say you do juju for your followers also as you they come so because you like the juju where money can do. You make sure say you look for a place to do your own and come because if you come, I go shit for your head. I will make sure I shit for your head again. I go mess for your head. Boom, you go the smell everywhere you talk. You go the smell. Oh, you smelly, big, good for nothing. Because if you because big is supposed to do better thing your own, nothing. At the age of 50 years, if you cannot show your grown-up children, show your grandchildren, at least show material things. Because if you not use your time, take do children markets. If you not do a kiomo, okay, can you do a kiro? If you cannot use your 50 years to show your own beautiful family children, at least show your grandchildren. If you cannot show your grandchildren, at least show material things, e.g., a beautiful home and abroad. It's not only in Nigeria. You can also show a beautiful home where you live in abroad. Okay, if you cannot show a beautiful home, at least as you go to Nigeria, use gold to dress, not be shower. Yeah, Jesus Christ, I can't imagine at old age. See, old women, I beg. At old age, if you want to go Nigeria, and you know, say, nothing bling there for you, I beg, hide yourself, suffer, do your thing, and stop. Okay? And stop. And stop all this rubbish lifestyle to carry in short, I don't even know what I want to tell the nonsense old cargo woman we not get shame. Old cargo woman want for one small pikin since 5 years enough it. He don't go here. From Nigeria, from Europe, and they beat her hands down go beat and calon, bash. Woo! Gekwe amue. Get shame. Old cargos on social media. Have shame. Have shame. Old cargos on social media. Let shame the catch you now. It no nice. Home for Europe, nothing to show. Not even a full parlor set. Not even half bedroom. Nothing. Not veranda. Nothing. Not even full kitchen. Waiting for Nigeria also. Na kuku. I died. If not be people ask, they cannot show full. No light. At the age of 50 years, you go to Nigeria and you are shitting in pit toilet. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Bad mind will not make you make it in this abroad. You go just do no making. At the age of 50 years, you go to Nigeria, you are still living in uncompleted house. For you. For you. Especially when you say you too much. But if you be ordinary 50 years, where suffering they do it in they go. You know they drop person go back. You know they thought say you too much. Now God will bless you, give you strength, may you continue to do your life journey. But if you be 50 years old, you they drop people go back, you they look for downfall of another person, your mouth go they make pele for people, or yet you can't even show common one. But when you go to Nigeria, you stay in the house, no light, no toilet, no water system, no kitchen, you are like bush woman. Shame on you, killing cockroach and shopping it. Shame on you, shame on you. Che. Any old woman at 50 years cannot show good children, good grandchildren, cannot show a well property house for himself at the age of 50 after a shower. 30 years old. After a shower 30 years in abroad, you are a total failure. Don't be disturbing you are disturbing our ear. I beg. Rubbish people. They just cut a pressure make video. They just they share and they go. Which job now they get to twist people well. To they turn them upside down. To they try to say, hey, Monica want for so. My dear, not be human being put me for up. Now God. That up where you they see me, not be person put now up. Table shaker, you come here to even comment. Unumena ni yari re. Ige ye gasen yawe. Iwe mena ni yari yon ye gbe. Ige ye gasen. Betu oni sane na ni yani sanoguya. Ibwe ya gasen yawe. We na die wo ime we na do come. We mu wa. Boni same ge iwe me ni yari bitin agmonji we. Table shaker. You where they you speaking te pound. Now you they can still comment for here. You know just figure kill me for that side. Now comment. Get her for I say no, now that's why I know the man now. He can't walk mama warok say no wanaria ole ziba. The one I say now may bring the face come and may te ziba. Get nyo ye unde. I say Nigeria video only in neck in the video. Rubbish. At the age of 50 years, a responsible woman who really make it in abroad, he will reach Nigeria and show a bunk. If he like it big or he small, but it will be well comfortable. Don't be say go still they go bush, go the shit or give me rubber pen. Yesterday na rubber pen that they quarrel put it, picking shit put it, no wash. You want go shit now, see shit inside quarrel don't enter their body for their who use rubber paint when not use water they reason. At the age of 50 years, you are a failure. You better come and work hard and stop all this in winner race. Not paying you. If in winner race not paying you, stop. Anyone where you tell person go come Chester. Oh yeah, Chester. Where children they tenant today at the age of 50 years. The age of 50 years, your pikin they tenant. You they tenant for abroad. Eh? No motor, no driving license, no husband, nothing. Hey, Salobuame, Jesus Christ. Down there forever. Down there forever. And the pity to who they use all those ones until they do, mama. Eh? Eh? With my nose. Table checker, you don't they comment. Now, no block you because I know say now you are finally released from your almost died depression. You understand? For you to feel comment for year now. The thing they release you like, oh, I comment for her today, man, yet is I comment for her. I don't go block you. Eh? Because I know, say, small, your mind don't they tell you, say, oh, this one not be life for us. They do this Monica Rich. She just they go ahead. You they go. Me where they use small pikin to do juju. Nothing in my life. Nothing in your life, my sister. Eh? As una plan rich, both una plan for and all of una fail. What a shame. Eh? Who you they support fail? Now be say you where they support person, you are a failure before because it's only a failure will support you and you will end up in a failure. All of you now where they support now failure. Please go and work. I am working as you are seeing me so. As you are looking at me, my brother, I am working. It's you that is not working. Here, double. Now, woman put you for us. I've been now you put woman for us. Eh? They comment, my dear. Damn, they comment. I release you. God knows, say I don't bless you today. Okay? Tell your edede. Tell your mama. Tell old cargos. Where they social media. Tell them say facing Monica is not working. You can't pursue one person for 5 years. It's not working. I am progressing. Whether you got lucky or not, if you like pepe una here. Okay? I am not like you and your mama. Okay? At the age of 50 years, somebody is supposed to be proud of. Look at mommy Tessia Dianka. Look that woman profile. If you not post the grand pikin doing birthday today, go post the pikin doing birthday tomorrow, go post the other pikin because she's blessed. She's blessed. She know they go Nigeria, go they do tattoo me for people ass. She know they go Nigeria, go they drag a paint rubber. Who shit for this paint rubber? Why not wash her? Why not wash her for me? I want shit. I want shit for paint rubber. 50 years old, after 30 years in abroad, go home and be shitting in paint rubber. Shame on you and those that are supporting you in your evil. Shame on you. Eh? Now room 107 in Nigeria, and therefore they do them for there now. All those village boys, they carry village boys, go hotel. Village boy go the Kaloya for room 107. Hey, Kaloye, Woloye, oh bueno, Woloye, Kaloye, because fear can't they fear them for abroad. Fear not they let them they use their kwekos, they kwekelo again because people go record they send them to Monica, they can't keep their kweko. When they can't reach Nigeria, they can't carry village boy go room 107. Now the room 107, now the boys come they call them. They say they come they cry. Hey, Kaloy, hey, Woloy, hey Monica no, hey Monica egya mau, webo, kakabowe, ma unukpo ni ibe ya diowa, kakabowe. Pay you. He pay you. Before he dey hear my matter, he akpiko wey not the see they do again for abroad. He go make I really worried them. I worried them. Before, if you see how all this they carry people husband they doing. Before, if you see how this if you see how they do people husband for working place, because of me. Now stop. That's why some they vex because Monica will record them for me. When you see all those where they call people enter us, record them for me. Now they can't be there total for one place. Now where they reach Nigeria, room 107, here one more village boy, Kaloe, Monica no, Eva no. Sick away. Monica no, make you there. Monica when you record wa mure kasa wa twagbe una no get character we una stay husband house. Una say me no get character better at least I dey manage my own they go for 20 years. May you show me the one where you don't manage for ordinary 6 months. E not there. Who want carry opetukbe? Who want carry useless woman? Who want carry woman where he nyash not the let and sit down for one place? Who want carry woman where he matter not the whole land? I make no make at the age of 50 years plus. Woman never 50 they count a blessing and name them one by one. That one not be person where in life they miserable, frustrated. That one a person where in life they miserable. Not put on for my body. I don't see the one where I cause for your body. If you come back now, go and work hard for your life. Go and work out for your life, all cargo. If you reach your work, not to they look for trouble up and down. To they look this, look that, now be problem. When problem go come, just like go carry a man. All the juju way bring comes to this social media. Now bring go this and go wrong. Come on, juju go come for you. Juju go come. When juju come, because they can't give on double. Baba so chaivi. Moko daya iya ni moko dame. Mwibina giya iya ni gumegbina. Yes. The time where they plan juju for this social media. That is say na me one collect and pass for where one cover and not pay put. But their own. Yes, they can't pay na make them. Project where they put for ground, you not finish. Oh, you see all this one still they plan so. Now yeah, go there. Now go they carry the lion share. The lion share now go reach una hand. Mona bet. Now maybe Monica the sugu of social media. I go make sure say all the problem wanna bring come. Now una go carry the lion share. Okay? Room 107 in inside bush. Room 107 in the way of going to Amy. Room 107. Monica no. Egima webo. Kabo kaloy. Sekowe. Winere. If I get such useless mama, okay, I go eat where your mori, where you jiri. Trouble. Nothing good come out. Where he met, they spend 1,000, he go get 100, he no go hear word. I bet my lovers, me I use this one to live now. Me I go do hair. If you dey Instagram, come join me later for there, Jerry. Jealousy kid, they try to pull only one person down, they no fit. He can't pay. Rubbish. Can't beat me at the mass. Scatter the beat. Oh, let's see. Monica, scatter the table. Go! Lion share. All trouble that you get wish for me, you will carry the lion share. It don't fair happen before during time of Ojuju time. Person where they always talk say, Preach Juju for them. Go preach Juju for them. Now, when I all come, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here tell your Juju bewa. Not that one. I say no woman. Hey, let the one you. Hey, Monica Lover, God go bless you now. The real one. But if anyone they here when not like me again, as you want go, you not like me again, you want go, please go alone. I beg you. Not convince anybody to follow you. Otherwise, now the Holy Ghost fire go visit you. If you want go, go alone. No problem. People they marry, they say it don't finish. No problem. But by the time you not like me again, you want go, you they following boss, they go, you they convince people, they go, you they look for people where go join you, that's not that. Except in now you go in here where the only me do love him, okay, pan and maggie go no phone on my way. But Anna me where love no my hand, and if they appreciate why why I love him, even why I support him, and I go they bless you now. But as one day, love no day again, no problem. Shoshi and Toto Dike, they fell love each other, now they bon. But today, Toto Dike hate that man so much, he don't even want him to see that child, even change the name. It can happen. Husband and wife can quarrel and say that they hate each other. Yes. I get friendship 10 years. 10 years friendship where don't spoil, where they look for who go fit kill me. But if your own can still finish today, you don't want to go alone. And then Baba God go raise his standard from heaven and fight you because you can go alone. Don't hate me and go alone. Leave the rest. I beg. If na true say your eye don't open, you say na juju, they go. Leave everybody. We all get our head. Don't convince us. No carry people follow body. Otherwise, na so better thing go take they leave you for your own life. You don't go know why. Okay? Those that are haters before, keep hating, my dear. It's adding up to my life. You guys are making me to strong every day, so it's not a problem. God bless everybody. God bless you, my lover, and God bless you. So, lover is not advising you to ignore or stop quarreling every time. My lady, why it be say your own? Since when you there, yes, go and watch your comment. Pesking fence, pesking. The day where I go verse for you now, you go come talk say you be lover. What is wrong with you? Go and wash your comments since you come here. You didn't greet me happy Sunday. You didn't even greet me hello Monica. You just complain. My lady, is it by force to wash me? Don't you have discipline of your own? I tire for you. If you even they advise me, I know they yet. Take a walk and get out from my life. If I still come in the evening, you'll see this woman. Now the same thing go the right. Every error not let me return error back to your life. Will you get out of here? Peckins. Please take your love out of my life. I don't need it. I don't need chuku love. I don't need dates. People they yes, they reply other people said, or they say, oh Monica, or they write one thing or the other. You go just there, you go nag, ne nagi boo. My lady, come on for here. Come on, I beg, come on. You go follow one, come, you go follow two. You go follow here, come, you go follow here. You go follow here, come, you go follow here. What logo where? Must you wash? If you the advice person, no, they beg go. Sister advisor, you dem fake accounts. I settle him now. We all they play for years since. You insist. You carry the thing. Go and wash all your comments years since. Go and wash your comment and bring it to me to come and tell me that you are very honest with your comment, that your comment was fair. Everybody commenting what they want to comment. You own insist. You are wallowing. Later now you go the follow up platform they go. I was loving her before. I now love her again. I advise her she not here. Which advice me don't give you when you don't hear. Get her from here. Zolo. You una say I know they see una comment. I know person where they fair. I know person where be say something to complain but I'm a comment already. I know they hear that kind of advice. Wait, be say the day where I will say everybody put mommy Monica, I love you. That day you no go talk because I not be your mommy, I not rich. But when you reach to complain, you will be number one. I know the year. That's why if you see people where they hear the award, I go they shake, say, okay, my lady, okay. Because if I say put mommy, go put mommy. Put love, he go put love. If I say share, he go share. If I say like, he go. That person, if he still talk to me, I go still yeah. When they fin now. I mean love you where anywhere. I mean like you where. Oh, what complain. Oh, what complain. Yeah, oh let's Monica scatter the table. Monica scatter the table. Hey, down na make yawe. Down na make yawe. My lovers now. I head for now. Una not go far, go back. Ooh, now the support not go ever fall down. Never. Uno mawaki. Mommy Vero, I greet you. Woman. Eh? Wait. Mona, wait. I hear say Abatoba said don't say sorry to Monica. I have said the sorry because I don't get choice. My lover, they don't want fight. They don't want make I do about anything because they know say word also it in my mouth. My lovers trust me. That's why if you see person they do me something, those oh Monica, because they know say what yakatama. They know say word in my mouth now. If not to use about do yeah, I go fit. If not to do boy, I go fit. If not to bolele loto, how I go fit. But if my lover they owe me, now because they know say I go. If you put 10 men for ground, my lover know say I go beat them war. As I say they be rubbish men, no regard. Okay, thank you for my lovers. They say about apologize, say sorry. I don't watch all the video, but I just hear that first sorry for beginning, and I put fighting down. I put everything down. I let go. We move. But one word to my brother Abba. My brother Abba, for your video, one thing will vex me so much. I forget the rest. I don't want to talk about the rest because the rest was personal to me. I forget. But one will be general. Where they pay me. If I'm not just talking today, not good. It's good, make you know. Make you still learn. We they teach each other, be. My brother, the way you tell they talk to women, please have some respect. I don't know women where you don't carry or where you don't see before or where you don't pass through or where you they hang out with or the men where you they hang out with have their wife be like. You don't need to use because of the high of your ex-girlfriend or your wife or your sisters or the wives of people, men where you they hang out with one another that they drink. May you can't they use that kind of they look the old women all over the world. We do this thing that they hello, Jay. Hello. In real life. Okay, oh my yad down here. Okay. You understand me? So we do this thing that day. Women's Day. International Women's Day. Because women know they wear my brother Albert still they look say women day. Please, my brother, you are also a public figure. Change that aspect because another politics go come just now. Another campaign to campaign for another one. I've been only Obaseki you want campaign for it don't finish. Should be another time go come. You don't need to just spoil your reputation now. If you continue to talk to women like this, we not like them. You understand? We not like them. No, they talk to women like you want settle matter where be say na men wrong. Now all the men where you defend now they wrong. One carry woman and they get wife for us. Okay. The other one, if they cause people, husband, cause people, even person we not doing anything at all. He go just carry the cost. Na married man, na elderly man, he go just they do you say he good, na king, na they. Then when they can't reach the women, you just rubbish all the women. You not even concern. Say these women, no, wait till they happen. We be say now na men so na the women fair carry the matter go give. If maybe na women I be king for this social media, now we carry the matter go meet. Therefore don't settle on sins. Now the same men where you feel saying no loda or yo, now they give you na bekie. And when you want to talk for the matter, you not even can consider women where they hot, where they social media, where they disappointed. For this social media, they don't fair inside this matter where you can't talk for only the hope because it touch men who na gather they drink.
Yeah, don't tell well,
you can't talk for only the up. The matter it don't they come since you are very sure you go hear the time where inside the matter they call police for my children for this abroad to take my children away from me. If I not be good woman, if I not be good mother, okay. Now this inside the matter, now they for still report me to government again for this social media. Now still inside the matter, men were involved also. You just overlook all those ones. You just can't talk for the up of the people who na gather they drink. Finish. You not go like that. You are a public figure too. Some matter if they bring and come, even if na people who na gather they drink. That's why I go tell you also, may you not go fall a victim like me. You still measure am for your words, say, because of me, neither they draw one man, follow ground. Thank God, say, no be me do wetin that man do. Now that man is responsible for whatever he do, we make them they draw and follow ground. And he's responsible to fight for himself. Because I not be lawyer. You understand? So, my brother, so you supposed to take look and not be say you just pick your own. You just say women enter the kitchen. Now waiting with the big Buhari for since we talk that thing. Agbomari mine. Even your wife said for us, you know happy. Since we Buhari say my wife belong to the kitchen. His wife no happy again. If you see his wife, I the interview. Okay, woman no they happy put my brother. Not doing again. This social media is big enough for everybody to operate. You even seeing your Benin sister making it all of them, they push forward. You're supposed to encourage them and not to tell them, enter house. Do you want social media to come be work for our husband? I reject it. Social media is not a work for my husband. It's a special guest to my show. Okay? And he will not stop supporting me because majority of Benin men do not fancy when a man support his wife. My husband will not stop because he is my husband and not una husband. You understand? So please, my brother, as a public figure, change that area of your whether it's sentiment or the way you judge or the way you look at the matter, like they can't not do it again. My love are really big because that word I not be like I'm at all. I know they like man where they operate for inside where me they operate. You go come they talk saying superior. If you superior, we're more fist. Or I mean shamba in Nigeria. And who wear social media when have a cut sane. We have a fion one where the yon where we are me atara. We have a fion one where the yon where we are me atara. A matter where the one yon where we are me atara. Or where a crime you know. Enter house, go cook, call your husband come. Must everything be husband? Must everything be husband? Can't women do it better. Me, I'm even doing better than the men on social media. I'm doing better than most of the men. Especially the one where you give king to. You also give king to that one because you want to quickly make sure say you secure your own political side. It's not nice. If you cannot call a spade, then there is no truth in your judgment. You small just now, if not because I get responsible followers. If I don't turn to saga, now so it take the start. You go come to say, hey, I talk for matter, but me go come tell you say the area where you talk, but I not like you talk to favor your own political side. For what? Oh my God. Lucky Demudia. You don't write. Make I see you. You don't know, say I purposely they leave you for you. I purposely they leave you, my dear. Because say happy no have a TV more behave. Ume mi agbo. Unuwe. Ume be dagmuwe. Bitterness agboa. Emineru wala we nari anusun uwe gbe won adojaji wa mi ejaji ememi no ume no himo ridon we wa ya agage mi wa idon me o e mi ropa wa runderu wala si mi si obi mi le loto o sa bo agben yo to no obi mi gare ba beru wala wa mi obuwa o manuwa me do bi me na ne monika gare ba beru wala wa mi o manuwa inereva wa weni me wa bari ebaen wa ya asie kosma wu wa me ni magba o ta we pona ni je me e kokpa ni na gbe kan sese o ma konsan ni me konsan sese o ma konsan ni me konsan le ru wala we wa veru wala me ni wa gbado bi yeke wa mari mi ke la so yere gbe o block wa ya wa na iwe gbe me wa bado la mi no me Mr. Abat ave me so ni le lu ehia o ehian ru wala yan hin try no ya seto yan wodo when you are giri ni meju we wa because ehia ti we concern na wa me concern wa because if I na mai amie wu no wa okay Abat another one again ihwe so no we ga amwe krami na ona ohwagbon oni ohwagbon me gwale gba bi hu ni na rubisha ogun yen wa wan ni yari ya madagege everybody with your own different type of way of life. That's why when it comes to husband and wife way of life, don't conclude on this is the best because like you now, you look like a man that don't count woman. Your wife effort is not counted. You see, me, I don't like that type. And again, the other marriage, you said quiet women, when they quiet, but their name is everywhere being rubbish. They don't talk is the best. Monica should come and fight their fight. My black S. Giyansio vimenjo. Mi no vime. Iye ke na meme na biye ke ni amunda. Wani ke no legberu wala la vimegbe. Fa. Now get wetin they do me. Now the one we be adults, we know wetin they go on. Now they pay. Thank God say all my children still small, they don't even know now. Before they will go grow, can't know wetin una they do. You don't go far. You know understand? So continue. Idemudia. Agbowe mi ga mo picture ni yo to we mu yo to kakabo ye sieru wala sie ye kwe sie kakabo. Owojuwe. O ma concern me. Bye guys.